Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, a type error is a common error that occurs when an operation or function is applied to an object of inappropriate data type. It usually indicates that you are trying to perform an operation on a variable or value that is not compatible with the operation you're trying to perform. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to handle type error in the context of a weather service code. We'll use the OpenWeatherMap API as an example to fetch weather data and demonstrate common scenarios where type error might occur and how to handle them. Before you proceed, make sure you have the following prerequisites. In this example, we'll use the requests library to make an API request to OpenWeatherMap and retrieve weather data for a specific city. We'll assume you've already obtained your API key and stored it in a variable. Now, let's explore some common scenarios where type error may occur and how to handle them. If you forget to provide the API key or it's incorrect, a type error can occur when trying to access a non-existent variable or key in the response. To handle this, you can use a try, except block. If the city you're searching for doesn't exist or isn't in the OpenWeatherMap database, you may encounter a type error when trying to access data for a non-existent city. You can handle this by checking if the response contains the expected data. Handling type error in your Python weather service code is crucial for providing a robust user experience. By implementing error handling techniques like the ones described above, you can gracefully handle unexpected situations and provide useful feedback to your users when issues arise while fetching weather data from external APIs. Always remember to check the documentation of the specific API you're working with to understand the structure of the data it provides and the potential errors you may encounter. ChatGPT. Title: Understanding and Resolving Python Type Error in Weather Service Code. Introduction. Python type errors are common runtime errors that occur when an operation is performed on an object of an inappropriate type. In this tutorial, we'll explore a scenario where a type error might occur in a weather service code and discuss how to identify and resolve it. Scenario. Let's consider a simple Python script that fetches weather information using an API. The code snippet might look like this. In this example, we attempt to fetch the current temperature for a given city using the Weather API. However, if the API response structure changes or if there's an issue with the API request, a type error might occur. Identifying the type error. Run the script, and if a type error occurs, it will likely provide a traceback pointing to the line where the error occurred. Common type errors in this context include attempting to index into a non-existent key or attribute. Resolving the type error. To make the code more robust and handle potential errors gracefully, we can modify the code as follows. In this updated code, we use a try except block to catch potential errors during the API request. If an exception occurs, it will print a friendly error message, providing information about the issue. Additionally, the raise_for_status method is used to raise an HTTP error for bad responses, helping catch issues with the API request itself. Conclusion. By handling potential errors with a try except block, you can make your weather service code more resilient and informative when issues arise. Understanding and addressing type errors is crucial for building robust and reliable Python applications. ChatGPT.